Hello guys and welcome to Top Crypto. In today's video we're going to take a look at Blockfi, which is a fantastic platform that allows you to earn a passive income from your crypto as well as being able to take crypto loans and much more. Obviously nothing I say on this video is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the Blockfi website, which is a link down below in the description as always. You can see that Blockfi is all about buying, selling and earning cryptocurrency. The Blockfi Rewards credit card lets you earn up to 3.5% back in crypto on every single purchase. And you can see that credit card over here, the black card here. And as well, we can look into all the different products and things that they have available, guys. So far, in terms of crypto rewards paid on the credit card, they've given over $15 million in crypto, which is something that is pretty impressive because the credit card has not been around that long. And platforms like this are really going to bring crypto into the forefront as far as I'm concerned, because lots more people will have access to it and it's giving more real world utility to people in crypto. Now, all you need to do, guys, sign up for Blockfi and then you can click on get your card and you'll have to qualify for it. Obviously, different countries it may be more difficult, but if you're in the US, UK, etc., should be able to go and apply for one of these. If you look down below, there's lots of different other features like low cost trading for leading cryptos. So for example, if you're holding Bitcoin but you think Ethereum's going to go up, you can transfer across to Ethereum at a really low fee cost, and every month you are also allowed to have one free withdrawal from the platform, which is obviously pretty cool because now and then platforms that have low fees for transferring, etc., might have high transfer fees when you're trying to exit or take money out of a platform. So to have that each month is something really worthwhile. As well as that, if you're a high net worth individual and you're looking to put large sums of money onto the platform, there's also benefits there where you can kind of call them up and negotiate perhaps interest rates that are going to be available for you. Obviously, there's not so much information available on that right now because you have to call them up in order to get that done. But what's really cool is being able to borrow money at rates as low as 4.5% APR. If you, like me, have a lot of money in crypto and want to be able to access that money right now, perhaps is not the best time because crypto is obviously down. So if I'm paying like $100 for something, it's more like I'm paying like $200, $300 in my mind, because at the moment I'm expecting crypto to be going up significantly this year, so I don't really want to be touching that money. However, I can then take a loan against the crypto that I hold in the platform and use that money from the loan to go and buy whatever I need, maybe emergencies, whatever. And then that kind of stops me having to invest or take money out of my crypto. But as well as that, I can then, if I'm confident enough in the crypto market, take money backed by my crypto and reinvest it into that crypto. Now, obviously that's a fairly high risk strategy, guys, because the crypto value goes down and you've invested against your existing crypto, you're going to have a lot more to pay back and your existing crypto is not going to be worth so much, so be very careful about doing that. Now, one of the things I like most about Blockfi, and one of the reasons I tried to get my friends to go and join Blockfi, is because it's a very easy platform to use. It has a similar kind of interface to Coinbase but lacks all the expensive fees, and as well as that, all the extensive rewards and APY that you can earn makes it a very special platform. I'm sure you've probably already heard of Blockfi. It's a big blue chip company and that makes it much more secure than perhaps other platforms. It's KYC, or know your customer, which means that you have to put in your information, etc. And that's always a good thing in my opinion because it adds extra levels of security. And it's a company that's already backed by other huge names. We've already mentioned Coinbase. We've also got Galaxy Digital, which is one of the largest platforms of its kind within crypto, and the Winklevoss Capital. Winklevoss twins were the guys who famously sued Mark Zuckerberg for their early involvement in Facebook and not really getting much back in return. They then got their money back from the hearing trial, something like $16 million back in 2012 or something like that, and they dumped a load of it into crypto. And obviously since then, Bitcoin's absolutely flown, so they've amassed quite a fortune in crypto and themselves have done a huge amount of research and hold a lot of expertise in the crypto market. So being backed by companies and people like this show that this is a very substantial and impressive platform to be looking at in terms of a place to put your money. Now, they offer a few different products. One of the ones I use is the Blockfi wallet, which is buy, sell and store crypto and stable coins, One of the coolest things, if you don't like the volatility of things like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can use things like US dollar tether, tethered to the value of the US dollar, and earn a huge percentage APYs, sometimes up to 8-9%. Obviously that number can fluctuate, but the best part about that, guys, is you're earning 8% on a US dollar, which if you've ever been to the bank and you've tried to put in US dollars, GBP, whatever, you're never going to get anywhere near 8%. And actually 8% year on year compounding is going to make a huge amount of difference. Each month your interest is paid in, so you're going to get compound interest on that as well. There's no minimum balance, so you could start with as little as like $1, £1. There's not going to be any hidden fees, and obviously it's safeguarded and guaranteed to be kept safe. If you want to change from Bitcoin to Ethereum, etc., it takes very little time because they obviously hold all their crypto, so it's pretty much instant in terms of those transfers. So you won't miss out on the huge moves that can be building in crypto and suddenly explode at any moment. There's two-factor authentication, obviously using the Google two-factor authentication app on your phone, which adds another level of security and safeguards your crypto. And what's nice is you can keep all of your crypto in one place. You can also schedule to buy perhaps every month. So say you get paid on the first of the month, you can schedule a payment to go into the platform each month and buy whatever crypto it is that you are interested in holding. As you can see, there's a lot of different cryptos available. We're going to take more information about that now. They've also introduced simplified tax reporting. So depending on your country that you live in, sometimes it can be a bit of a hassle with regards to declaring your tax, but Blockfi makes that all very easy for you. And as well as that, they have world-class customer support, always available to answer your questions and help out with any problems, no matter how big your account size is. Now, the wallet itself is not where you're going to earn your annual percentage yield, but you're going to have to move that across to somewhere else. But by having it in the wallet, that's basically if I wanted to send some money there from like another platform like Binance or from a credit card or debit card, no matter where I am in the world, then I would send it into the wallet. And if I want to withdraw money from Blockfi, then I then put it back into the wallet and I can withdraw it there. Here I've already been talking about, you can automate your crypto portfolio, set up repeat buys to dollar cost average into your crypto. Now, if you don't understand what that means, it means that say every month that I'm buying Bitcoin, like if Bitcoin is $40,000 worth and next month it goes up to $60,000, then I'm happy. But perhaps I then buy again at $60,000 and it drops down to $30,000 and I continue to buy at each price. So if my view is that over a long period of time Bitcoin's going to be going up in value, then I can just keep buying at different levels, and it means that my average purchase price is always going to be fairly sort of low, as long as I believe that the overall flow of Bitcoin price is going to be towards the upside, which obviously I do as someone who's interested in crypto. And it's all very simple to sign up. Literally come across the link down below in the description and click on open your account. You can sign up for the account, add an address, etc. And then you can fund your account and start buying crypto. As well as that, by funding your account, you also will be entitled to bonuses and other things. Here you can see the different APYs that you can earn on the different cryptos. As I've said already, it can fluctuate depending on what you have and how much their demand is for each of the different cryptos. But you can see you can earn up to 4% APY on Bitcoin, 4% on Ethereum. You then got 9.5% here. With other coins like Avalanche, you can earn up to 10%, 5% on Solana and Cardano. Yeah, they don't have many of the kind of smaller coins. They do tend to operate solely with the larger cap cryptocurrencies, but ultimately if you're interested in crypto, those should be propping up the majority of your account, in my opinion, because those are the ones who've stood the test of time and will continue to grow into the future. You can see they've already paid over $700 million in crypto interest and rewards to clients worldwide to date. Now, another cool way of earning rewards if you're new to crypto but your friends are also now interested in getting into crypto is you can click over here on services and click on refer a friend. And the cool part of this, guys, is you're going to be able to make money when your friends sign up for the platform. It doesn't cost them anything more, so don't worry about that. But you can refer your friends and earn for every person that signs up using your referral code. For every person that you recommend to the platform and signs up and then deposits $100 into the account, you will earn $10 in Bitcoin, and so will the friend who signed up as well. So it's a bit of a no-brainer in my opinion. Your friend must hold these funds for at least 30 days before being eligible to the bonus payment. And if you, like me, have a YouTube channel or some other way that you can drive traffic towards the platform, you can become an affiliate of Blockfi and that allows you to make a passive income just by referring other people. Here you can see an already quite famous YouTuber here who's partnered with the platform, and here you can see you can earn up to $1,000 for every referral. And the reason for that is obviously if someone's only going to put in $100, they're going to give you a $10 reward. Then someone might put in $100,000 and you can get still like a 1% reward or whatever, depending on the levels of money that they're willing to give out for each deal that they do with affiliates. But this is definitely something worthwhile because it's a really cool platform and it's an easy one to promote, guys, because it's something that actually offers some real value to users who are going to come across here. And here you can see it's very all simple, guys. You just become a platform, you have to apply to be approved, and then you can promote it whichever channel you want. You can earn commissions and then track your success, which is all done through a very simple platform. Here there's some testimonials from different people. CryptoLark is the YouTuber we were looking at just now. And if you've got any questions, you can click on contact us and ask more information about this way of making a passive income. So guys, by now you're probably wondering, how do I come across and make myself an account? Well, all you need to do is come over, and if you don't have an account already, click on get started. And then all you're gonna need to do, guys, is put in your first name, last name, and email address, create a password, a referral code. If one of your friends has told you to come over here, then you can put in their code, in which case you're going to get a bonus, but so are they going to get a bonus as well. And then certify that you're at least 18 years old. You've read all the terms and conditions, and then you can read the SMS policy, etc. Click on submit, and then they're going to send you an email with the further next steps. As already mentioned, super simple. You can then set up your 2-stage authentication, and then by sending something like a copy of a passport, a driving license, residence card, whatever that might be, as well as a proof of your address, like a bank statement or an electricity bill or something like that. All very easy, guys. You can do this in 5 to 10 minutes, no problem. Now, as with every crypto platform, all sorts of news and things are happening all the time because things are changing rapidly with this new technology. So head over to Twitter and you can follow Blockfi on Twitter. You can see 152,000 followers. And then any updates, any details or any giveaways that are going to happen are all going to take place on this platform, and you can see everything that's going on in order to know the best way to keep your money and to keep your money safe. As well as that, they're reposting lots of interesting information from various other top subscribers and top YouTubers, etc. So make sure you give them a follow and they can guide you into other areas where you can make potentially more of your money this year. So just to recap, guys, Blockfi is one of the most reputable crypto companies anywhere in the world. It's a platform where you can store your crypto and earn a passive income via annual percentage yield. There's ways to get crypto loans, as well as a crypto credit card that's going to pay you in rewards every time you make a purchase using it, and much more available. Guys, if you want to go and get a Blockfi account, then make sure you click on the link down below in the description in order to head over there right away and get started earning passive income on your cryptocurrency. And if you've enjoyed today's video at all and got some value, then make sure you smash the like button. Thanks very much for doing that. If you're new to crypto or you're new to the metaverse and NFTs and you want to learn more about how to make money in all of these different areas, then make sure you're subscribing to the channel and we'll bring you up to date with all of the latest happening and all the latest opportunities. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.